Yep, I got a request. Some new friends in Australia want me to do some more Dutch oven cooking, so that's exactly what we're going to do today. Hey, it's Gary, Fitz Preacher Farm. Appreciate y'all stopping by today. Well, we got a storm moving in after a while, and I think I can get this done before it moves in. We got a chuck roast. We're going to put some potatoes, carrots, and onions, you know, the usual bit in there. And we're going to cook it outside the way it's meant to be. So stay with me. Well, we had a little change of plan. I was going to hang that Martin Dutch oven over a campfire, but just looked at the radar and it don't look good, so I need to do this underneath my little canopy out here. So I've got my Lodge Dutch oven table set up, and just like the last Dutch oven deal I did, there's my trivet right there on the bottom, a whole onion. We put that on there, and I was trimming up my roast, my chuck roast, and I didn't like it because it had a big gristle, a piece of fat down the middle of it. So I trimmed it up, and I'll show you what we got when I get her loaded up. Okay, by the time we got it all trimmed up, there's what we ended up with. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a package of this ranch style ranch dressing. It's buttermilk recipe. We'll sprinkle a little bit of that on there. And then we'll put about a teaspoon of Better Than Bouillon. I told you before, if you've never tried this, you need to do it, because boy, it is good stuff. It'll really give you a rich flavor. And then we're going to add our vegetables, and we'll be just about ready to go. Well, there's what you end up with. That's what it's going to look like when we get started. We'll put the lid on it. We'll put it on the heat. And this is going to be a short video today, because I think it's going to rain. And I've got some other stuff going on too. But there's what we start with, and we'll get it on the fire. Alright, it's time to get a little fire going here. And show you what I bought. This is a Lodge Dutch oven table. It has a windbreak around it, and it's portable. It all folds up. Everything folds up. Carrying handle on here. These are about $150, $160 if you go buy one brand new. A guy on the Facebook Marketplace had this for 20 bucks. Duh. It's like that's a no-brainer. I rushed over and got it. It does have some rust on it. Hadn't been really taken care of, but I think a coat of heat paint will do wonders for it. But anyway, we got our coals about ready, and we're going to set this thing up and get this roast going. I'm kind of going to set it close to the back there in that corner, because it's real windy, and the wind does affect your Dutch oven cooking, so you have to be aware of that. So and we'd really like to slow cook this, but we're going to have to kind of speed the process up today. And by the way, I did add a few items to that I didn't tell you. I added some garlic. I added a little Worcestershire sauce. And I also added about a half a stick of butter. Might as well go rich, huh? So we'll get our bed of coals here going and get this thing started. I know a lot of people would have probably seared that roast before they put it in, but I'm working on a time schedule here this afternoon, so that's why I didn't do that. Searing does give it a little extra flavor. All right, there we go. We got our bed down. Let's get our crock pot. I think I said crock pot. I meant Dutch oven. I don't know. All right. seeing him around there. I think we've got him back there in that corner real good. Let's load the top up. I'm thinking about an hour is what we got. Hope y'all are doing okay in this lockdown thing. And had a new subscriber. Ow! What? It's hot. Had a new subscriber from Australia that recommended, that wanted me to do some more Dutch oven stuff. So, hey, twist my arm, huh? All right. There's what we got. We got our charcoal on there. Let me put a few more around the bottom down there. And we'd really like for this thing to slow cook, but we just don't have the time. So we're gonna speed this process up. But that's the nice thing about Dutch oven. Once they get heated up, they're heated up. They're cooking. So there you go. We got her going, and still got plenty of coals left that we can use if we need them. And about 30 minutes we'll check this thing. While we're here, you can see our radishes are doing good. We got some beets that are doing pretty good. They're coming on. Cilantro coming, doing great. Lettuce, nothing. I think I got some bad seeds or something. Sugar snap peas are starting to climb up the wire. These are not doing as good. I don't know why. It's a different brand. One of them was Sugar Daddy, and I can't remember now what they were. I got the deal in there, but they're doing pretty good. I'll see you in 30 minutes or so. Well, I got tied up doing some stuff, and I don't know if you can see that. Let me see if I can get that glare off there. We're way above where I wanted to be. I only wanted to be 160, but hey, that's okay. You can see our taters are done. Carrots are soft. Yes. Tastes pretty good. So, I got off and got in the shed out there and got to doing some stuff and walked away from it. But hey, here's an easy way to fix a good meal. That's a complete meal right there. You'll probably put a little salad or something with it, but that's a complete meal, and you can just walk away and leave it. Dutch oven, man, it's great. By the way, how y'all like my new Dutch oven lid holder? But it's an easy way and a quick way of doing it, and you don't have to stand over it and watch it. But hope you enjoyed that. Hello to my friends in Australia that subscribe to my channel. Appreciate y'all subscribing. This is for you. You guys requested it, so there you are. Hey, y'all have a good day. This is Friday. Sunday's coming. We're going to do drive-up church again this week. And I think we see some light at the end of the tunnel. I think they're going to start lifting these restrictions and stuff. So let's keep praying. God bless y'all. Thanks for watching.